I have decided today that I'm gonna try harvesting the purple potato. I've had it growing in a compost bag, and this is, I believe it's 40 pounds, but I'm not sure. It's probably not even half full, but as you can see, the leaves are sort of dying off. This was just one starter potato, and it actually had more than one vine, but it was suggested to me that I make it one vine, so I cut the other ones. Let's see if that turns out to be a good idea or not. I didn't see it. There's two potatoes here. Can you see? Two potatoes. Let me dig around some more and I'll show you what I have. Oh, it's a little disappointing. Okay, so this is all I found in a 40 pound compost bag, and starting with one potato, probably that was about this size. Anything, they were probably in there for too long because it looks like these potatoes are starting to sprout. I don't know, a little disappointing, I must say. The problem is I'm not exactly sure what went wrong. Maybe this is just the nature of these purple potatoes. I don't know if I'll try this again. We'll see how the Yukon Gold does later in the season, and if that's also not so good, maybe I'm not meant to grow potatoes. At least the ones that I did harvest are nice and pretty.